and welcome to this particular video for Kingdom Steel Erectors. My name is Colin McGill and I'm from High Coast Marketing, and I am here today just to interview Paul Cunanan, the owner of Kingdom Steel Erectors. And the whole idea behind this video is we're just going to find out a small bit of information on what services Kingdom Steel Erectors offer us. People within the industry that are looking maybe for steel fabrication or steel frame buildings. So I suppose without further ado, Paul, I suppose I'd like to say welcome today to this video, and we're here for really, Paul, is to get a little bit on the services you offer us that may be looking for a steel frame building or anything to do with steel fabrication. So if you could tell me a small bit about Kingdom Steel Erectors services.
Yeah, our services basically are on receive the drawings from the client. We go through the drawings, see what tonnage of steel is involved in it, basically, and price the whole project for the client, basically. That's what it is. So
I suppose once you're successful, then
yes,
the next step along the line then is what goes on from there.
Next step along the line then is the fabrication then.
Right.
So it's all fabricated and all as per drawing down to the spec, whatever the client requires.
Right. And no, I'm sorry to sound a little bit slow here, but when you say fabrication, what do you actually does it involve? Welding, painting? What's involved in the fabrication?
Oh no, it's all welding. Yeah, well, the painting is there too.
Right.
But painting is further down the line.
Right.
Basically, all the plates then have to be cut and profiled and whatever to whatever required size or specification they are.
Okay.
Whatever size plates they can be, you know. So then the plates then are welded onto the beams, onto the columns, and basically as everything is worked out as per drawing then.
Right.
You know.
So you get it and you fabricate it, and Kingdom Steel Erectors do all this work. You do
we do all that work in-house. Everything is all done in-house, yeah.
Well, my little knowledge in the industry, I do know there is different types of welding.
Yeah.
Now, I don't know the names, and obviously you might...
Yeah, there's several different types of welding, but all our steel, all our welding, all our thing is all done by coded welders, number one. They're all coded welders, and it is all MIG welding we use.
Right.
But there's various types of welding. You have arc welding, you have MIG, you have TIG, you have stainless, alloy, whatever, you know, several ones. But ours is all MIG basically for what we're doing on these certain projects. But we do have other projects where are stainless and whatever, you know. And
you're able to handle all that kind of...
Everything there,
right.
Basically.
And when I come to you, and do you actually do all this in-house, or do you have to contract it out, or what way does it work?
No, everything is done in-house.
Right.
Everything is done in-house, yeah.
So the whole project is completed by you?
All completed by ourselves, yeah.
And another thing is, I suppose, many people that will be listening to this out there, we know in this era, I suppose we're in, there's a lot of bureaucracy and a lot of phone calls to get to people to change things. Will I have this problem with you within Kingdom Steel Erectors? Can I get to you, the decision maker, as fast as I can?
No, yeah, within one phone call, either myself or Steve, we're at the end of the phone 24 hours a day for any problems that may arise or may occur, or any changes through the whole project. There could be a change in design. They could have run into problems through the job where they need to change basically not the design, but it could be certain problems that occur from time to time down the road.
But I'm rest assured.
Rest assured.
I have no problem. I can contact you. And you mentioned Steve. Who's Steve?
Oh, Stephen O'Connell is my partner. Then Steve Steve is my partner. Steve is basically we have a workshop in South Kerry as well.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're not only offering the services here in the United Kingdom, you're also doing a Kingdom Steel Erector in Ireland as well.
Ireland and the UK.
Oh, fantastic! So you're doing both countries.
Both countries.
Oh, fantastic!
Yeah.
And before I go, I suppose it's my ignorance of the industry. What other services do you offer? Do you do? The only thing that springs to my limited mind is shot blasting. What other?
We do shot blasting. Well, all our steel is shot blasted, primed and painted. So whatever specifications is required for the job.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're saying you do welding, cutting, priming, painting,
galvanizing, whatever the client requires.
Right. So you're basically, as you said yourself, you are the one-stop shop. So for all steel frame buildings or any steel fabrication.
That's correct.
So I suppose the next thing, before I go, I have to ask you. I suppose you better give us your phone number so we can contact you.
Yeah. The phone number is 07760 457 333.
Right, you better say that again because you said it a bit quick and I don't want anyone to give you out to me.
Yeah, it's 07760 457 333.
Fantastic, thanks Paul.
Thank
you. That's it guys from us today here at Kingdom Steel Erectors. Now you know what kind of services Kingdom Steel Erectors offer. Do not worry, there will be a link underneath this particular video that will take you back to kingdomsteelerectors.com, and Paul's phone number will be there, and also Stephen's phone number, and you can also drop us an email through the contact form on the left of the sidebar. So that's it guys, thank you very much for listening to us on this particular post with Kingdom Steel Erectors. Feel free to check out our site and see all the other things we offer within our site. Thank you.